Today, I'm making tenses simple, because trust me, you don't need to memorize 100 confusing rules. Here's what matters. Tenses show when something happens, the past, the present, or the future. Now on the TOEFL, using the right tense is key. If you're telling a story in speaking task 1, choose the past. Summarizing an article, go for the present. Making a plan, that's your future tense. Let's break it down, quick and easy. Present tense is for facts and routines. I study English every day. Past tense, for stories or finished actions. I passed my exam last week. Future tense, plans and promises. I will practice more tomorrow. But here's a TOEFL tip. Simple past and present. Perfect come up a lot in speaking task 1. Like, last semester, I joined a club, or I've learned to manage my time. And don't forget, use simple present for academic writing. The article explains. Ready? Next up, I'm bringing you a quick tense practice short. Hit play and let's master those tenses together.